Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage balance transfers with American Express, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin managing balance transfers with American Express, start by understanding what a balance transfer is. A balance transfer allows you to move outstanding debt from one credit card to another. Next, review the different American Express cards that offer balance transfer options. Look for promotional offers, such as low or 0% interest for a specific duration. Once you have selected a suitable card, check your credit score to ensure eligibility for the transfer. Apply for the American Express card you've chosen, completing the required application process. After approval, you will receive your new card and account details. Log into your American Express account or call customer service to initiate the balance transfer. Gather information about the debt you want to transfer, including the account numbers and the amounts. Enter the required details for the transfer, making sure to double-check the amounts. Confirm any fees associated with the balance transfer, as they can affect your savings. Review the terms of the promotional interest rate, including when it expires. Once the transfer is complete, monitor your new American Express account closely. Set up a payment plan to ensure you pay off the balance before the promotional rate ends. Keep track of your spending on the new card to avoid accumulating additional debt. Lastly, stay informed about your account statements and make payments on time to maintain your credit score. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.